Welcome to the Plus Addon tutorial. Today I gonna demonstrate timer countdown widget. In this widget, in the content tab, first of all you have the option for the countdown date. From this section you can select the date and the time. Once you select the launch date, you have options for the label. If you want to hide the label, you can turn it off. And if you want to show, you have the all option. Then you can change the text the way you want. In the style tab, you have counter font color, so you can change the counter font colors. Then you have the typography options, in which everything is including the font family, size, weight, transform, style, decoration, line height and letter spacing. From them, font size, line height and letter spacing have the responsive options. Then you have the label typography options. For the days, hours, minutes and seconds, you have the tabbing option. So you can select the text color, border color and the background color for each of them. So if you want to make those different for each of them, you can select from here. Then you have the padding option, you have the border style option, you have border radius, and at the end you have the box shadow option. All the box shadow options are available here. Then you have the on scroll view animation option. To know more about this on scroll view animation, you can check out our video from our channel. In the advanced tab, you have the plus extras options, in which you have the magic scroll, tooltip, mouse move parallax, tilt 3D parallax, overlay spatial effect, continuous animation effect. To know more about these plus extras, you can check out our channel. There is a separate video made for this. So if you have any other questions, write us on the comment box below. Hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial on timer countdown. Subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Do check all the related links in the description below. Thanks for watching and keep crafting amazing websites. See you in the next video.